DIY fidget spinner. So let's get started. Make sure to comment down below. Please comment down below, subscribe. And I'm going to have a giveaway on July 4th, a canvas and a free canvas. And make sure you comment to enter this giveaway. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below saying I subscribed and like this video, and comment down below that you like this video. So yeah. So let's get started with this DIY fidget spinner. So we're gonna make a Shopkins fidget spinner. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is 3 Shopkins and this thing to make the fidget spinner, a barrier to make a fidget spinner. I think is a barrier to make a fidget spinner spin. And comment down below if you did this, and if you did, was it good or was it bad? So guys, as you can see, it did dry up a lot. Maybe I need to put some on here. Crash and Pool like a magnet. If you know this song. You don't have to comment down below if you know this song. I'm just asking, do you know this song? Because I love this song. Kind of love this song. So comment down below if you have a dog. No, just comment down below everything. And you can even comment down below on my other video because I already have a lot of things to comment down below. So then you're gonna need another Shopkin. And I'm just gonna glue the sides so it can just stick very good. Let me do this one now. Of course. Alright. I'm gonna pause this real quick. Hold up. Okay guys, so I finally sticked it one on, and that's how it looks. Now this one is a little crappy, but I think I can do this one. Take this part off. Still looks good. And just make sure yours goes off like it went on this one. Because yours goes like on the bridge. Bridge, yeah. Bridge of it. And don't even push it in or anything, just keep it in. And make sure you have a little space. Make sure my other video, it was horrible. The description was horrible. Make sure do not look at the description because it was horrible. Oh my god, I accidentally posted it after I messed it up. It was just bad. So yeah. Alright, so what was I gonna say again? Alright, so make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Lila2177, and my Snapchat is my Instagram is Lila County. And I'm thinking of changing my YouTube name. Comment down below what YouTube name should it be. Like, comment down below, like, since I do like a lot of videos, like, which one do I do most and all that stuff? Like, which one you think is like best? Whoa, guys, look at this. This is how it turned out to look like. It looks cute. It looks so cute. Oh, this is so. I like this. This is beautiful. So guys, make sure to subscribe and comment down below was yours good or fail and all that stuff like that. And yeah, I just love this fidget spinner. It's just so cute. I don't know how I thought it would never turn out like this, but of course it did. And this is all you guys of my subscribers. If I didn't have 8 subscribers, I wouldn't be doing this right now. I mean, I'm just so grateful for 8 subscribers. I mean, I hope you get more, but I'm just grateful for 8 subscribers. 7 subscribers. I mean, I used to do a lot of YouTube videos when I was smaller because I was very scared that, I was very scared that people would make fun of me and say bad things about me. But one day, that first video I did, I was just like, I have to post it, but it didn't really turn out that good because you saw the picture. My face was disgusting. Like, it was disgusting. I don't know why it turned out like that. But yeah, I am going to, I'm gonna have this video soon, and it's about me going to Florida. It's gonna be in like 2 months, July 6th, and I'm gonna go to Florida, and I'm gonna vlog every day there. And when I first wake up, I'm just gonna vlog and do everything, and it's just gonna be like, I hope I have more subscribers by then, cause like, yeah. But please, I had a lot of views on my other one, but nobody really subscribed. So make sure you go subscribe, and yeah, please subscribe, and all those haters, I really don't care, because like, if I know that I'm good, I know that I'm good. So yeah, so make sure you do subscribe and comment down below what was your favorite fidget spinner I made. The fidget spinner I made the other day with my aunt, or the other fidget spinner, or this fidget spinner. What fidget spinner is your favorite? All of them are a little coming out now, so I'm gonna do it all over again. To do it very fast. Comment down below. And you probably thinking, why these so short? Because these are my yoga clothes, and I kind of fell asleep in them, so I just got that wrong right there. Do not like. So I'm just waiting for them to dry, and I'm just gonna put some nail polish on top of it, so somebody looks at my videos and do it. I have some nail polish on it, and I don't think anybody in my school is gonna do it because they don't really know me yet. Nobody in my class knows that I have YouTube video. Like, a lot of my friends know, but they checked and they said they wasn't there, so. As you can see, it's like down like an umbrella. So I'm gonna go pour the. Okay guys, I didn't find my nail polish, but in my next video I am going to be showing me doing the nail polish, so